Hello friends, in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set silent mode on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the sound and vibration. So friends, here you have to tap on the sound and vibration, then you have to scroll on the down. If you want to set the silent mode or activate the silent calls and notifications, then you just click on this icon. Then the calls and notifications will be in this silent. Okay, and if you want to silent the games, music, videos and the apps, then other apps, then you just click on this icon and it will be in this silent option. Okay, so if you want to unsilent the if you don't want to set into silent the calls and notifications, then you can off this one. And if you don't want to silent the games, music, videos and other apps, then again you just tap on this icon. It will not be in silent. Okay, if you want to activate the silent, you just click on this bot icon, everything will be in silent. Okay, the silent mode will be on. Okay, and if you want to off this one, you can off, and if you want to off this one also, it will be off. Okay, the silent mode will be off. Okay, so from here you can select the silent mode. If you want to on, you can on. If you want to off, you can off. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.